to How Are You, Mayor? On November 3, news outlets published that you accidentally slipped and fell in your bedroom. Kumusta na po ang health ninyo ngayon?
Ganito yung pastor. You've been to my house. Ang bahay ko kasi maliit. Tapos yung hagdanan, wala ma akong space na magawa ng hagdanan na ganon. Paikot lang sa isang poste. Yung talagang nakapalibot lang yung
Spiral.
so very narrow. But hindi ho yun ang problema. Hindi ang hagdanan yung gumagamit ng hagdanan. Alam mo, while I was going down, I was already talking to somebody over sa cellphone ko. Kaya usually ang muscle memory mo, mas nakapikit ka if you have been using the stairs for about 2 to 3 years. Alam mo na kung because may muscle memory ka na ang paano mismo ang the problem is when you get to be matanda na, hindi masyadong maganda ang grip ng paa. Minsan ganon sa gitna, minsan dito, minsan tama lang. So I was talking to somebody and going down at the same time. So bigla lang akong nag-sleep, napaupo ako. Yun lang po, but my wife, si Hanilet, was worried about the incident, so she insisted on me going to the hospital for a x-ray. Baka may na ano raw dito sa likod or whatever. So, sa awa ng Diyos, okay naman yung x-ray. Ang mali yung asawa ko. She was insistent na talagang pupunta kami sa... Sabi ko naman kasi okay lang, wala naman akong, you'd know how bad you had fallen by the pagtindig mo, may diferensya na. Pero sabi ko wala man. But still, that night, pumunta kami sa... So maraming tao, maraming nakikita. Alam mo ito, that's the... I don't know if it's a blessing or a bane sa civilization natin, itong cellphone. So hindi ka basta-basta pastor, you're always at the mercy of basta kanino. Kunan ka ng picture, sa ayaw mo sende, lalo na sa akin, naging politiko ako, hindi ko naman masabi na wag. So kukunin ka, baski lumalakad ka sa harap nila, magawa ko na lang mag-smile. Ganon, pero ganon ang nangyari. So nag-uusap na okay lang naman, walang problema. Hindi na kasi nakahawak naman ako. Asari, ang isa lang problema, may kausap ako. So but usually, even without really thinking about what you're doing sa stairs, the muscle memory that you have gathered all those years na ginagamit mo yung hagdanan, pwede mo nga takbuhin But sometimes you are not really at it because you're busy. Nawawala yung kunting instinct mo sa how you go about. So, mag-x-ray, okay naman. Okay na ako.
Thank you for watching.